a nice guy?
He is amazing.
What?
It's me right here.
Check me on my YouTube. I'm that nigga coming up. I'm just chilling with my niggas. No, we tryna get that back. Tryna flex on all these haters, but that's never gonna stop. Mess around and you get yeah, my niggas, we don't play.
Time money. So what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. I really don't have anything to post. But my barber was like, Ty, do you hoop? Are you trying to lick on Sunday? Time money. But yeah, you guys, I didn't really have anything to post today. I thought my barber was supposed to hit me up after my haircut. He was like, Ty, do you hoop? Are you trying to lick on Sunday? And I was like, yeah, sure, bet. Barber hasn't hit me yet, so I'm about to just head down to the park, maybe get some shots up just in case. But you guys, I got me some yellow Crocs. Like mostly everybody in my family has Crocs. I was like, you know, I'm just gonna try them out, see how it is. And actually, they're pretty quite comfortable. I'm not even gonna lie. Yo, what is Tiffany doing here, bro? What y'all doing at the park? Homie over here laughing, bro. I don't even know this kid. What's good, bro? What's so funny? Huh? Bro, you saw me, bro. I just hop out here, bro. You trying to play right now? All right. For sure, for sure. Let me get my shoes on real quick. Huh? Nah, bro. I just bought these, bro. Just bought these. Can't do that. Alright, y'all, got my shoe on. I haven't even warmed up yet, man. This man been out here warmed up. See? Man popping the sweat. This man popping the sweat. So you have no reason not to beat me, bro.
Bro, if I lose, it's because I'm just straight doo-doo.
Okay. Alright, for sure. Nah, bro, I'm good. I don't need no warm up, bro. I'm good. Yeah.
I'm Wesley.
Yeah.
W-E-S-L-E-Y.
Okay. Instagram, nothing.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
I do theater, actually.
Oh, you do theater? Okay.
Yeah, I do theater.
So you go with the improv skills and shit?
Yeah.
Alright, for sure.
W-E-S_. Oh,
You don't
wrong social media. Wait.
Man don't know his Instagram. Alright, go ahead.
_. W-E-S.
Okay.
0-F-F-I-C-I-A-L _. So it's _West official.
Okay.
Underscore, but with a 0.
Hey, your name's what again?
Wesley.
Wesley, alright.
What's your name?
Ty. Ty money? Yeah. Oh, I got the camera, bro. My bad. Try to find a good spot to set up.
I gotta get your YouTube after this.
Alright, for sure, yeah. So I'm about to plan, man. I'm just trying to find a good spot to set up the camera. Bro, why is my cousin following me, bro? Look at her over there. She's just following me. First she was sitting all over there. Now she's trying to stalk me. You trying to stalk me for? I'm finna hoop with Wesley real quick. See what this boy got. Yeah, right now I'm just trying to set up the camera, so give me a moment. They over here seated, bro. Let me go see what they're doing real quick. You know she didn't come to support me, so let me go see what they're doing. What y'all doing over here? Came to support me? What?
Get up.
What you doing over here? You came to support me or what? Came to support the kid? I'm about to play this dude. Who you think finna win?
Why is going to leave me alone?
She boring, bro. Who you think finna win?
What?
Time money. Time money. Time money. Time money. Time money.
Everybody got their
Try money.
Definitely can't do it now.
Try money. Try money.
I suck. It's still recording? Yeah. 14 minutes.
Try money.
God.
I see the vision now.
Yeah.
I see the vision. Yo, we just got done finished, but the camera had died. Well, I mean, it didn't die, but the camera had stopped. I don't know why it stopped, but hey, man, my boy did a good thing.
Yeah, appreciate
you know,
it, man.
my boy's still in high school too, so.
Yeah, man, yeah.
So.
He did me though. I learned some stuff, man. He's tight, bro. He's tight. Yeah.
I appreciate you, bro.
No problem.
Said you want the channel, right?
Oh yeah. Let me
Yeah.
get my phone.
All right, bet.
All right.
Oh, that boy finna dunk. That boy finna. Oh, that was close though. That boy said he used to dunk. Let's see it then.
Oh, that's off.
Oof.
Ah. Get the angle.
I'm gonna try the one legger first.
Yeah.
Try the one leg.
Uh-huh.
And I'm gonna alley-oop it to myself.
Okay.
We're gonna see.
All right. Let me get an angle.
I ain't a dunk.
I feel you. No judgment zone. There it is.
Does that count? Does it count? Nah.
Kind of a tip in. There it is. It's there. It keeps falling out your hand.
Yeah, keep falling. Yeah.
You're up there already, yeah. Oh! Oh! Yo! Yeah, I'm booty, man. I'm booty.
You ain't trash, bro. You gave me that work though.
Yeah,
even though
yeah.
we didn't get the very end.
Yeah, I know.
Bro, what's wrong with this camera, bro?
Yeah, I like what you do, man. I love that.
Appreciate you, bro.
No problem, dog. So you do basketball videos or just everything?
I do like just vlogging, everything, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Time money. All right, you guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know a lot of people don't watch my videos yet, but for the ones that do, I appreciate all you guys that support me, you know. I didn't even know I was gonna play that guy today, but you know, it just ended up happening. I was here thinking I was gonna play my Barber. It all ended up working out, but I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe if you want to see more of my content, and I will see you guys in the next video.
What can I say? Mamba out.